Hello everyone, this is BranchMesh. It is a local testing tool that answers one important question. If two JIT branches work correctly on their own, will they still work when combined? BranchMesh helps developers catch hidden problems before integration. Here is the problem. Branch A changes retry settings from milliseconds to seconds. Branch B adds jitter using the old field. Both pass separately, and JIT merges them without a file conflict. But together, that field is missing. The result becomes not a number, and the test fails. This is a behavioral conflict. BranchMesh does not replace JIT. JIT still manages commits, branches, history, and merges. JIT tells us whether file changes can be combined. BranchMesh adds the next layer. It combines selected branch, snapshots safely and runs real. Project checks to confirm whether their behavior still works. Here is how it works. BranchMesh captures exact commit IDs, then creates isolated temporary JIT worktrees without touching your current work. It validates the base, tests every branch alone, and tests each unique pair. It runs your configured tests, builds, linting, or type checks. Finally, it classifies the results, creates JSON and an offline HTML report, removes every temporary worktree, and leaves your original repository unchanged. In this demo, we select 3 branches: config seconds, jitter, and status output. All 3 pass individually. BranchMesh then checks the 3 possible pairs. 2 combinations pass because the status branch is independent, but config seconds with jitter fails, even though JIT reports 0 conflicted files. Now we can read the result in the report. 3 branches were selected and 3 pairs were planned. 2 combinations show no detected conflict, while 1 shows a behavioral conflict. There are no normal JIT conflicts and no skip jobs. The matrix shows exactly which 2 branches need attention. Opening the failed pair shows why. The configuration branch renamed retry delay to seconds. After merging, the old value is undefined. So adding 100 produces not a millisecond instead of 1100. The test exits with code 1, and BranchMesh records a behavioral conflict. JIT merged cleanly. The test exposed the hidden bug. BranchMesh runs locally, makes no runtime API calls, and keeps your original worktree safe. A passing result means the configured checks found no conflict. Not an absolute guarantee. BranchMesh helps teams find hidden incompatibilities early, when they are easier to fix. Thank you for watching.